Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Winter Forever game stuttering or the lagging problems. I will show you guys the different and important setting that you need to apply to fix this problem. So first right click on your taskbar, you will see the task manager, open it. Now here you just need to close all the background application. You will see the memory or the CPU on the top. If these are above the 90%, then this means this is the danger symbol and the application that are consuming the most of your RAM or CPU appear on the top. So make a right click on all of these applications that are useless that are on the top and just simply click on the end task. Then go to the startups you are seeing on the top and here you will see all the applications. So when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So when these applications are running and your game is also running, your game crash obviously. So you just need to make sure that you disable all of these. Just right click on all of these, then just click on the disable. Now the next important setting is the privacy settings. So go to the Windows setup, here the privacy settings, it will appear on the top. So open it. Now here on the left hand side, just scroll down, you will see the background apps. So just click on that. Now here just make sure that this option is turned off. These are also the applications that are useless or consuming a lot of CPU or RAM on your PC background and causing your game crash. So you just need to make sure that you disable or turn off this option. Now go to the Windows setup with the system configurations, open it. This is also the very important setting that you need to apply. Then go to the boot on the top, then just click on the advanced options. Then just select here the number of processors, then just select here the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 4, 8, 16 or the 32 enabled, then just select here the maximum. This will increase your game performance. Then just click on the OK to apply the changes. Then just click on the apply. Then just go to the services. Then here just check this box at the hide all micro services. Then just click on the disable all. These are also the services that are useless and causing your game crash because this application consume a lot of CPU or RAM. As you can see, I already disabled this application because these application are the services that are useless. So you just need to disable all of these. Then just click on apply. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. Then launch the game and your any kind of shutting problem will be fixed with this game. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video and bye bye and take care.